This is the East Fork San Gabriel River, about 20 minutes from Azusa, California. It's actually very easy to get to. There are many spots where you can park your car, walk 5 minutes literally, and you will be in the water. The best time to visit this place is late April all the way to the end of summer. During the winter time, the water levels could be high and very dangerous because of the rains and the snow melt. Please be extra careful. Do not come during that time. I made a video for my channel, YouTube Lopez Explora. In there, I will explain to you in detail and step by step how to get to this spot. Freeways to take, exits, parking permits, and everything that you need to know. If you want to avoid the crowds, I highly recommend that you visit this place on a weekday. The weekends it gets crazy busy. Many people know about this spot. It's not a secret. By the way, please pick up after yourself. The big problem here is trash. People leave a lot of trash behind. So if you can, take something with you. If not, at least leave nothing else behind. Take the trash with you. Thank you. This is in the mountains, so it is the wilderness. So there is always a chance of finding wildlife. I've been here many times before and I never seen a bear or mountain lion. But that doesn't mean they're not here, so please be extra careful. I've seen lots of snakes though, so watch your step at all times and be careful where you put your hands. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. In there, I have the videos with all the information on all these places. I will explain to you in detail and with step-by-step directions to so many beautiful places like waterfalls, lakes, wildflowers, hot springs, and many, many more. Thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I hope you have a wonderful day.